3408 Myrika. Four bedroom, 2 bath, carpeting, living room area, ceiling fans, tile floors, running dog hallway, in case you don't know. 1 bedroom. Second bedroom. Double sliding doors. Hall closet. Hall bath. Just remodeled. All new tile, new tub. New toilet, new sink. Tile underneath. So if you get a drip, no problem. Master bedroom. Mirrored closet doors. And master bath. Shower. Tub, both bathrooms. New commodes with the double flush system. Also tile under the cabinet. That's your living room. Another closet. Dining room. This is our cleanup that we got to get out. Excuse that in the photo, but still got to move some stuff. Island bar in the kitchen. Flat top glass stove. Sink. Side by side, stainless steel, new Amana refrigerator. Light. Got to turn it on. Oops. This would be your 4th bedroom, or office, for a home office that is. This would be your utility room. Light sensor, new water heater. So when you get your hands full, you don't have to worry about turning on a light or off. And your counter. New faucet in the kitchen. In your backyard, large oak tree. Lots of shade. Utility room. Not sure if there's anything in there. I guess there isn't. Storage room. Liar on me. Alright, that's your storage. Large backyard. Large central air unit. And that completes our tour of 3408 Myrika Street, Tampa, Florida 33619.